dress. So we have an item on the left here and then 4 possible meanings. So dress is an item of clothing. I'm wearing a lovely dress. Actually, it's a jumper, but you can't tell that. To put clothes on. I'm going to go to the bedroom to dress, to put clothes on. To play with the dolly. Now, admittedly, very often you do dress a doll when you play with it, but you don't necessarily. You can just go, oh, hello, what are you doing this morning? I'm off to the market. So that hasn't necessarily got anything to do with dresses. And then to put some sauce on a salad. If you put some little bit of vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, and shake it up with some other stuff, and then you pour it on a salad to make it nice and fattening. So that's to dress a salad. Slightly tricky, these ones, because they're never in themselves terribly difficult words. But it's the trick answer, which is the odd one out. To play with a doll is tricky, isn't it? Just simple. It's designed to trick. Thank you. Bye-bye.